You know any chicks?
Yeah, no.
Trying to get all of them right now. Okay, go.
Hey, any chance we can bring the chicks over here to the shop? We're not drinking anything.
No. But we will be once the chicks get here.
Sounds great. They'll love it. Sweet. I'll be by to get them shortly.
Excellent, Smithers.
The chicks are gonna be here.
Nice. Go get them.
Is there enough chicks for all of us?
Oh yeah.
How many chicks is there?
There's 4 chicks.
That's
There's
enough.
3 of us, 2
All
for
right,
me.
all right.
Woo! We'll have a good time.
We got the booze?
Right here.
These are the chicks?
These are the chicks.
I don't know if Harry's gonna like these chicks.
Oh, he'll love them. Trust me.
These were not the chicks we were anticipating.
Really?
Go get Harry. Let him know I'm chilling back with the chicks.
Okay. Hey, Harry. I got the chicks in the car. We're ready to go.
You do?
They're in the car.
They're in the car?
Got the booze. Everything's ready to go. I got 4 of them. I got one for you if you want one.
Want to check out his chicks?
Yes.
Said they're in the car. He said he's got hot chicks for us.
Okay.
Murph's in there. He's got the booze. Wow.
Hello, darling.
Nice
to see you.
Oh. Oh, they're little chicks. Wow, Murph, you finally picked up some chicks.
Real chick magnet over here.
I got my chick. You didn't tell me what kind you want. You just said you wanted chicks.
I know. I knew it seemed too easy. It's that easy. It ain't never good. Look at them. Here, Jackie loves chicks. Check this out. Watch this. Jackie, look. It's Easter. Jackie, what are you having for dinner?
Chicken.
Are you?
Yeah.
You want to have for dinner? Probably chicken parmesan. There's something
I
so
always feel
wrong with this
bad
conversation.
when I'm like grilling chicken on the grill and the chickens are like right there next to me. I always feel real bad about it. Sorry.
All right, well, this is Easter at the Hot Rod Shop at Studio Hot Rods. We got chicks all over the place.